Nigeria. Odion, he got...
Nigeria returns to the continent's biggest football showpiece after missing out of 2 editions in 2015 and 2017.
Nigeria can break from the right, across, it's number 3 for Nigeria, no! Finally there!
This time, the 3-time champions feature in Group B, along with debutant Burundi, Madagascar, and West African rivals Guinea. Super Eagles know they must work out a great start at the championship.
We have to go to Egypt and play well. We have to go to Egypt and fight, because it's going to be a fight. It's going to be difficult. Hopefully, if we can come out of that group, I think it's going to be a good thing for us, so we can kick on from there.
Almost like a war. It's going to be a serious battle and fight. Every game is going to be really competitive, so I'm sure Madagascar and Burundi, even though it's their first, they'll come with a lot to prove, to show everyone that why they had the chance to get into the African Cup of Nations. I think both of them finished really well in their group as well, so we know it's not going to be easy.
If anybody say the tournament is going to be easy, they're lying, you know, because it's going to be tough. It's African, it's going to be hot, it's going to be difficult, but I believe in the team we have.
Head coach Gernot Rohr says winning their opening game against Burundi will be a key step to keeping their hopes of a 4th African title alive.
Burundi has a good team, unbeaten in the qualifiers, making a very good parcours in these qualifiers, having very good players also playing in England, playing in Europe, playing in South Africa. No, it will not be easy.
2019 is the Super Eagles' 18th attempt, with 3 titles, 4 silver medals and 5 bronze medals to show for it.